Hey guys, welcome back to the Nubian Prince Fashion Style. I'm your host Marlon, and today we're going to do this quick unboxing of this awesome product, which is the Apple Watch, which is the 6 series, and this one is the special edition, which is the Black Unity, and it is inspired by the colors of the Pan-African flag, and the Black Unity collection celebrates and symbol that unites people of the African diaspora. So this was a beautiful design, and when I check out this one, because I normally use the Fitbit, but mine something wrong with this, so I decided to trade that in and get an Apple Watch. So when I saw this one was promoting and the Apple website, so I just jump and get this one instead of the normal one. This is it, and get rid of this one. And as you can see, the details and stuff like that. So you can see at the back as well, so the whole details you can see start to protrude from the back. So there's a 6 series, the space gray aluminum case, Black Unity sports band, and that's the 44mm. And this one, they start from $379, and so the full price for this one is £409. So I'm not too sure if US dollars or any other currency, but for UK. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So you can see the great details of the whole thing. So I'm quite impressed with the packaging. Obviously, that's Apple for you right there. Wow, you can see the great details of the Pan-African flag. As you can see there, it's beautiful. You can see, quite beautiful. So that's the watch. So as I was saying earlier, so that's the face of the Pan-African flag as well. Nice detail. And then you have all of the bits and pieces inside here, which reads here, so this exclusive collection is inspired by the Pan-African flag, red for the blood that unites people of African diaspora and was shed for the liberation, black for the black people whose existence is affirmed by the flag, and green for the vibrant natural wealth of Africa, the motherland. So if you want to have a great read, this definitely inspires as well. And this has to do with the charge and everything. So let's put back this one in for now. And so what comes inside this package? So you have the charger port, and then you have the watch itself, obviously, and then the first one I took out was the bands, sorry, so the straps. So that's the green, red, and black. So that's the bad boy here, and all ready to go. So all of the details at the back. So the back is when it engraved so the 6 series Black Unity, 44mm, and that's aluminum and stuff like that. So that's engravement for that one. And then we're going to move over to the straps. And this is where you have all the details of the straps, which is very fantastic. And same thing again, the same thing that I read out to you guys earlier, same thing comes with a strap. And then we're going to go in, and that's where you find all of the fine details of how to place the strap into the actual watch body itself. And as you open, you can see, so you have one set full pair of the straps, and then you have a backup one which have the same color as well. So you got that one. So I think one is shorter than the other, so it depends. And so you have the medium and large, and then you have this one small or medium, so it depends on the size of your wrist. So you got the different sizes. So obviously for me, obviously you go medium and large for me. And let me see the quality of it as well. So you can see the quality of the bands. Like I said, black, red, and green. And you can see behind here, you got the same engravement as well. So you got truth, power, and solidarity. That's at the back of it. So it's very, like I said, very detailed. And you see the same thing here as well. So you got the black unity all over, and then you got a 44mm. So everything is quite detailed, and this is the medium to large band. So everything is quite detailed. And that's it. I'm just going to put it on so you guys can see. So that's the beauty of it. And as you can see, that's the nice fit. And I pretty much think we could even use the medium one as well, you know, because the large one, because I'll go right up to the second hole of this one here. So pretty much I maybe could use the small medium. So it depends on how big your wrist is, because I underestimate, because my wrist is quite big, but obviously I could definitely use that one. But as you can see, the 44mm face and everything's ready to set up. So everything is ready to put up together. So thank you very much, guys. So please don't catch yours, because it's a limited edition, so you can pick up yours to represent your blackness in terms of what this piece of artwork represents. So we always complain that they don't make anything for us, but now they make something that integrate within our culture, and this is a part of the piece of artwork that we can get for our own selves. So while it's available, grab yours. Like I said, for me here in the UK, it's £409 for the 44mm. So for yours, it could be different into different currency that you guys are into. But like I said, it's a great piece of artwork. So catch it while you can. And please follow me here on my YouTube account, and also on my Instagram account, goes by the same name, NubianPrinceFashionStyle, and where I can share fitness tips and also fashion tips and stuff like that. So thank you very much, and have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.